The first choice you need to make is whether you want a single-channel dashcam that records forward through your windshield only, or a dual-channel system that is front and rear dashcam. The rear camera can either face back into the car's interior like the one used in most of the taxis and are called taxi cameras. And it can look through the rear window and record the road behind your car, and this is a well-known kind of cam. Due to the intricacy of processing two video streams at the same time, quality dual-channel systems often cost more than double as much as similar single-channel cams. High-end devices with all the latest bells and whistles are now valued up to $500. Yes, some inexpensive dual-channel cams cost below $100, but it is hard to find any in this price range that can satisfy our requirements. The cheapest front and rear camera that's dependable and records adequate video quality currently is the Pruvio D700, valued below $100. For a quick overview of the popular and best performing dual-channel cams, follow the link in the description below this video. Support me by, like, share and subscribe to my channel, which brings value for your money, and also check out my latest videos.